Da 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 da.
Yo, kill.
Link with the killing them, seconds to Trinidad, pick up the whole of them. Come on.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all see the title, y'all know today's video is a 5-minute glueless wig install. We're not using no glue, no gel, no even spray for this wig install, y'all. This wig install is absolutely gorgeous. Today's hair was sent to me from Ashimary Hair. Y'all, this hair ate down. Like, y'all cannot tell me this hair is not absolutely beautiful. And y'all are gonna be so shocked because I installed this in like 5 minutes, okay? Like, this was probably the quickest wig install ever. The hair is so beautiful. I've never seen a texture this gorgeous and curly and tight curl, like, you know, tight curls like this. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I, you know, installed this gorgeous hair really quick with no glue, no gel, nothing, then stay tuned. Before we get into the wig install, I have to show you guys what Ashimary sent me, y'all. They sent me, my wig came in this gorgeous box, y'all. So pretty. I don't keep these boxes though, I'll be honest. They just take up too much space. And in the box, they sent me a HD wig cap, which, thank you Ashimary, because a lot of companies is cheap. Okay, I like the HD wig caps because they're perfect for making that ultimate melted ball cap for your frontal wig. So they sent me an HD wig cap and they actually sent the right color. Thank you. Then they also sent me a wig band. They sent me some eyelashes, and as you guys know, I love eyelashes. They sent me a gorgeous Barbie clip. And then they sent me a brush that I used in today's wig install. And they sent me a razor comb, but I use that as well today. I can't find it right now. And lastly, they sent me this very beautiful robe. It's like their brand's color, like the teal blue. If y'all don't know, that's Ashimary's color. This gorgeous robe that opens to the front, and then it does say Ashimary right here. So those are the items that they sent along with this gorgeous wig. I'll leave the details for this wig down below, and I will post it on the screen for you guys. Y'all, if I have a code, I'll leave that down below as well. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't want to talk too much. Let's hop into the wig install. So there's a new trend. It's all over social media with wigs. If y'all haven't seen it yet, y'all haven't heard about it, y'all hearing it first right here. So it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut wigs. All right, y'all. So these wigs are perfect for beginners. These wigs are perfect for people that live in hot areas such as me. If y'all don't know, I live in Texas and it is over 100 degrees. So what's trending right now is like this new, you know, grab and go, throw it on wig install. You don't need any glue, any gel, anything of nothing. You don't need nothing to adhere the lace to your forehead. All you need is the wig, okay? And it's gonna look flawless on your forehead. That's basically the new trend. So Ashimary Hair did send me a wig. I told you guys about it earlier. Well, before this, I think. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it for you guys. This is the texture, if you guys can see it well. It's like this gorgeous, oh my God, it's so pretty. This very gorgeous curly hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig and show you guys how I would install it. This wig did come pre-cut, meaning I cannot cut the lace. The lace is already cut for me. And it also came pre-plucked, and the knots were already bleached. So this is a very, very good way to go if you are in a rush, you're a mom, you work a lot, you live in a hot area like me, or if you're a beginner and you don't like lace glue or gel or anything like that. Just literally a throw on and go. Oh my God, y'all, if y'all see, it's like melting already. So I can do that. You can use a wig cap if you want. Child, I don't even know if I'm gonna, actually, yeah, I'm gonna keep my wig cap. Literally throw on and go. The only thing I am gonna do with this wig though is I am gonna go ahead and hot comb a little bit. It won't even take 5 minutes, y'all. This is the kind of wig you need if you are trying to go for a 5-minute wig install kind of look. So yeah, this looks really good. I'm gonna show you guys the lace real quick. Now, being that this is a closure wig, you can wear it on the side if you would like. You can wear it as a middle part. Y'all know I'm a middle part queen, so I'm going to wear mine in the middle. Okay.
Turbo C notes.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free. Keep it pee, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a booty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tips in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I dress like baby B. I'm cold, cause as a nigga, you know it's giving cream. I got hits, when there's not enough, I'm feeling the team.
I need chips, I tell that good. He like a baby, carry that on my head. I just need a son, cause shorty got me pleasure for boy, I get that money on my house, give a fuck up my wrist. On my slip, she can't be touched, that I made that gut it. I know that I'm rich, but that's my project bit. Royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push a T, push a pound, need a brand new weed, kill my dog. Please, I go Keanu Reeves, get him gone. Why you telling me just let it be? Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G, but come at that age, just let that be. TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song, ride that to beat, I ride that to sleep. You ain't Pete, you know you beatin' me, he beats me.
I need chips, I tell that good. He like a baby, carry that.
Going in with the Erica. What the hell? Alright, going in with the Erica J Fluff Stuff Styling Foam. You can use mousse, you guys, water and leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever you want. I was gonna actually leave the hair like this, but I had already started combing out the top, which is why right here looks a little, you know, poofier than here. So this is actually the natural texture that you will receive when you purchase this wig. But we're not gonna have that. We are gonna brush this out, okay? I'm so nervous. This is so beautiful. Alright y'all, wig install is done. I went ahead, added some baby hairs off camera a little bit. Yeah, so this is my glueless wig install from Ashimary Hair, y'all. They ate up. Like I told y'all, quick 5-minute install. If y'all don't believe that this is glueless, let me show y'all. Okay, this lace is impeccable. This is absolutely glueless, y'all. Do y'all see? You can put a comb right through it. Right through it, okay? Gorgeous, okay? If you guys are interested in shopping with Ashimary Hair and purchasing this gorgeous, curly, beautiful Puerto Rican hair, I'll leave everything linked down below. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Did I do a good job? Let me know. But I'm personally in love with this hair. I'm so shocked because the blowed out, like the brushed out curly with the mousse looks way better than the original curly. Like I was gonna leave it the way it was packaged, the way it was sent. No, this is beautiful. 10 out of 10. Ashimary snapped with this, okay? Like this is beautiful. Like look at this, like oh, my makeup, everything just so beautiful. So thank y'all for watching today's video. Thank you to Ashimary for sending me this hair, because this hair eats down. I cannot wait to take some pictures. Y'all know I'm about to take some pictures. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.